Hey everybody, it's Sal Governale, Big Meals, Small Places, and I'm here with my old friend via Skype, Mike Bocchetti. How you doing, Mike?
Hey Sal, I'm pretty good, thanks.
Okay. Well, Mike, do you know why we're here?
I have no friggin' idea, Sal. No clue whatsoever.
Okay, well, stay tuned and find out.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me. Comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey Sal, what's going on?
Hey, Mike, how you been, buddy?
It's been a while, my friend.
Yeah, so how you dealing with this pandemic? What's quarantine like for you?
I look like Frank and Jesse James with the mask. I'm afraid to go anywhere, right?
Well, Mike, I'm calling you for a very special reason. Do you remember the episode we did on Big Meals, Small Places?
Oh, we had a bunch of fun ones. Untoasted toast.
In this episode, I'm here with my buddy and comedian, the lovable Mike Bocchetti.
Hey Sal.
Hey, Mike. And we are making Mike Bocchetti's untoasted toast. Mike, what's the ingredients in untoasted toast?
Sal, I told you I was in the food protection program, right?
Right.
I can't let this slip out.
Not untoasted toast. That was a classic. But do you remember my favorite?
Yes, I think it was the ribs. We made ribs.
That's exactly right. And that's why I'm calling you, Mike, to let you know that one of the biggest questions that I received was, Sal, can I cook this in a regular oven? Because they love the recipe so much. And the answer is yes. Everything that you and I have created, or I have created on all those recipes, you can make in a regular oven.
Of course, common sense. People don't think, what do you think when they're cooking in the back of a, cave like 800,000 years ago? You know what I mean? Come on.
Well, Mike, be careful. These are your fans.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, come on.
Sorry, I can't be obnoxious. I'm not, I'm so sorry, Sal.
We're going to blame the corona on that. It's getting into your brain cells. It's making you...
No, it has. I'm sorry, all people in TV and fandom,
Mike,
yes,
I'm happy to announce, unfortunately, we're away. We can't see each other right now because we're in quarantine. So what I did, in honor of you and my favorite video of making ribs, for the fans, I made a new batch of ribs in a regular oven.
Oh, nice. How long did it take?
Same amount of time. And they came out delicious. So, Mike, I'm gonna give you the honors of kicking. I'm gonna give you the honors, my friend, because I love you so much, of kicking off.
I love you too, sir. Thanks,
Mike. I'm gonna give you the honor of kicking off this video, explaining to everybody what we're doing today. Ribs in a regular oven. On the count of three, take it away. Big Meals, Small Places with Sal and Mike Bocchetti. Give them the big, incredible, enthusiastic intro. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey everybody, welcome to Big Meals and Small Places. It's the Sal Governale with his special guest, Mike Bocchetti. Today, we're going to be reliving the past and doing an episode with ribs in Sal's oven in the house. And just press this forehead. Press it. That's right. Subscribe to Sal's channel.
Mike, that was phenomenal. So, Mike, I love you.
Thank you, Sal. Oh, I started taking a dramatic improv class. It's fun, man. I've been taking a bunch of acting classes recently.
Oh, all right. So, Mike, all right, let's do some improv real quick for the Big Meals fans.
Okay, you got to give us a scene and a place, all this nonsense.
All right, I want you to be a chef.
Okay.
But you're also a you're a chef, but you're a half chef, half cockroach, and you're trying to make a meal, and somebody's trying to hit you with bug spray at the same time. And
okay.
Go.
Oui, Sal, I am making the pastry chef. Get away from me. No, get the raid. The raid. No, mustn't do that. Help me, Sal.
We're going to start a new channel just for your improv, buddy.
Thank you. That was fun, right?
That's fantastic. All right, Mike, I love you. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, Sal, thanks.
Today we're making fall off the bone barbecue ribs in under 2 hours in your oven. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven at 350 degrees, and it's going to go on the center rack. Now, lay out a pan with enough foil that allows you to fold over the ribs when you're done seasoning it. At this point, we're going to find the membrane on the bone side of the ribs, and we're going to peel away slightly with a knife, just scrape away. And once we get that knife working and we find a flap, we're going to grab a paper towel, and with that paper towel, we're going to peel away the membrane, just like that. Just peel it away, and that will help keep the meat nice and tender when you eat it. Get that membrane out of there. Then flip it over, add some salt to it. From there, you're going to add some black pepper, then some paprika, that's optional. From there, some garlic powder, and then some chili powder on top of that. Then flip it over and add 1 cup of pineapple juice over the bones and around the sides. That's going to tenderize the meat. Reseason it again and fold it up. I like it bone side up so the flavor from the bones seeps into the meat. 350 for 1 hour, 45 minutes. Take it out. Looks gorgeous. Flip it over. Put on your favorite barbecue sauce. Slather it up. And now broil it. Open. Top rack for 4 to 5 minutes. Look at it now after the broiling. Wow. Gorgeous, sizzling, delicious. And there it is. Fall off the bone, barbecue spare ribs.
The fall when my dick falls off.
No.
Sure.
No, Mike.
I'm sorry, sir.
Just let's focus on the food.
Sorry.
All right.
Now, does it come off the bone? Let's take a bite and see. A clean bone. Finger looking good, baby. Enjoy.